They're massive. They're massive. I'm surprised they're not like tickling the eyebrows there. Hey everyone, so today on this video I'm actually doing a PLouise kind of video because I'm currently on the masterclass for the new palette, and yeah, so this whole video will be on the products that I received for the masterclass. So yes, so it actually came in this box and it is quite big. Like, yeah, it is quite big. And yes, so I'm gonna open that up and let you see it. And I've already opened it. I've already opened up some of the stuff and just placed it more in the box, and then you can definitely see it out of all the individual boxes. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that now. Okay, so first I'm going in with the PLouise base and just going to pat that around my eyes. Go in with Obsession and just put that right round the eye at the crease and just pat that in. And I must say the pigment in this palette is unreal. Like, I'm barely touching the palette and it's just giving me life. It's actually giving me life. Whenever I was waiting for this palette to come, I heard a truck pull up outside, and yeah, I started running for the door thinking no one was downstairs, and then my daddy was actually signing for it. Whenever I went down, I grabbed the package and ran into the kitchen shouting thank you to the delivery guy while my daddy was still signing for this package. Yeah, I waited so long for this, and my god, it didn't disappoint at all. Like, oh, it was way more than I even expected in the package. Now, taking a smaller brush, I'm going in with Love Struck. So the same as before, just patting it on and then blending it out. And then a different brush, I'm going in with Fling and just going over directly over the top of where you done the Obsession, just to blend out those edges. I'm going back in with the PLouise base and a blending brush. Yes, that was the blending brush I used. And then just cleaning that all up there. So you just pat it in and recreate the shape that might have been lost whenever you were blending. So when you're happy with this sort of shape that you've created, we're going to go in with the pigment, which is a pinch of Seduction. And just pat that all in to where you just put that base. eyelashes, which are way too big for my eyes. They look really nice, and obviously they're Instagram sort of eyelashes, but for my eyes they're just way too big. I have to cut them anyway. Get some glue on these bad boys. Boys. Maybe they're girls, they're bad girls. Just sounds weird. You know? But yeah, in the masterclass they didn't do the eyebrows, but I feel like I need to. So I'm gonna do those. I'm just using, woo, it's a bubble. I'm just using the Rimmel Brow This Way kit. It is in dark brown, and I have an eyebrow brush somewhere. Yeah, I feel a bit better now that they're done. And now I'm going to go underneath, and I actually forgot about underneath, to be honest, there for a minute. So this is why I'm doing it now. Better late than never, I suppose. Yeah. So now on to the face. The face is gonna be L'Oreal True Match in the shade Golden Beige. And I'm just gonna pat that on the skin. And then blend it out. Okay, and for a bit of concealer under the eyes, I'm using Lasting Perfection Ultimate Wear Concealer. It is in the shade Fur. Spread it down the nose also. Maybe a little bit here, a little bit on the chin. And then taking a beauty sponge. I just use my beauty sponge dry, like everybody else uses them wet, but no, I couldn't be annoyed going in wet in those, so dry it is. I'm going to put on a bit of the RCMA No Colour powder all around my face. I like powder, like I know people say, no, keep it nice and glowy and don't, you know, only do round the concealer. No, I like powder and a lot of it. That's just how I am. What else am I doing? Okay, taking the Huda Benefit bronzer and just patting that on and then gently blending it out. Same with this side, just pat it on and gently blend out. And then for bronzer, why do I always call it that? For bronzer, I'm using MAC Give Me Sun. and just pat it on and gently blend it out. Pat and blend it out. Barry M's Map Me Up lip stuff. And then I'm going to do the weirdest thing and just wipe off the inside bits. And that takes off a good wee bit of product because I want to go in with the PLouise lip gloss, which is Heyyy. And since it is a PLouise video, I wanted to use this. So I'm going to go and put that on, mainly focusing in the middle bit. Yeah. And that is me done, I think.